O'Reilly Law Group in Las Vegas, Nevada is a semi-truck accident law firm that helps clients recover compensation for injuries caused by the negligence of others through civil lawsuits. Our experienced semi-truck accident lawyers provide free case consultations to those who have been injured in a truck accident and auto accident. Call our semi-truck accident attorney to get free case consultations. Are you looking for a semi-truck accident near me? You can stop looking. You found O'Reilly Law Group. Why should you hire a semi-truck accident lawyer? Semi-truck accident lawyers have years of experience and would have negotiated several settlements during that time. This knowledge and experience will be useful as they strive to obtain the highest possible compensation for you. Are truck drivers responsible for damages? Truck drivers acting within the scope of their employment are usually not liable for damages unless they intentionally caused an accident. Even if a truck driver is at fault, the trucking company is liable. What is your service area for the Las Vegas, Nevada law office? Our local semi-truck accident lawyers have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Las Vegas, Winchester, Spring Valley, Downtown South, Summerlin, Henderson, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Spring Valley, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, Pahrump, Winchester, Sun Valley, Charleston, Green Valley, North Nevada. Where is your Las Vegas, Nevada semi-truck accident law office located? We are located at 325 South Maryland Parkway, Las Vegas, Nevada 89101. Our phone number is 702-382-2500. Visit our website, www.o'reillylawgroup.com.